keep searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start.
What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show and good morning. So today we're gonna be catching, cleaning, and cooking. I'm right here behind Bass Pro on I-30. We just finished casting some net to catch some bait. Now we're gonna head to Lake Tawakoni and start catching fish. I hope we catch some. Wish me luck. Let's go. Guys, we are all set up here and we are fishing. So let me show you my setup, and here's my rig. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got all 5 poles up. Yep. Wish me luck.
Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head again. Your eyes.
Let's go fishing. So what's up, guys? I'm here under a 2-mile bridge. Had to change places. Was at the Arms Point Park for about an hour. Didn't catch no bite or nothing. Just got here at 2-mile bridge. Man, wish me luck. I just got a bite a while ago, but didn't really hook it. So we're gonna see what happens. Wish me luck. Finally, after 3 hours, caught a fat fish. How are you, sir? How are you? I'm good. Any luck? This catfish. 2.
Memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head again. Your eyes, your kisses bare my skin, it feels so empty
So guys, after a long day of fishing, this is all we got. Better than nothing. Now let's go home and clean it, and let's get to cooking. Let's go. So what's up, guys? Welcome back home. Here are the catfish. I slaved over all day, all morning. Bad day, but a bad day of fishing is a better day at work, right? So with these catfish, we're gonna do a Vietnamese Claypot braised catfish dish. A very Vietnamese traditional dish that I grew up and love. So I'm gonna teach you how to clean it and then start cooking, all right? But first, if you like the video and the recipe, please consider subscribing and push the like button for me, all right? So let's get to cooking. Let's go. we put salt on it. So when we put salt on it, it's to clean all the slimy stuff off the catfish. Now we're gonna rinse it off and then pat it dry. And then here, we're gonna marinate the fish first for 30 to an hour. Here we got ginger, brown sugar, fish sauce, chicken bouillon, garlic, and shallots. So we're gonna mix it first. We're gonna put in some ginger, brown sugar, chicken bouillon, half the garlic, so you just want half of it, and then we're gonna cook the other half later. And then with the shallot, you also want half. Here we got fish sauce. Oops. Now we mix it up. Okay, then we set it aside and let it sit for 30 minutes.
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, it feels so empty inside. Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, it feels so empty.
So here you go, guys. The finished product, rice with Vietnamese Claypot braised catfish. We call this in Vietnamese cá kho tổ. Yes, cá kho tổ. So here we go, taste test. With this fish, you gotta watch out for the bones. So when you eat it, make sure you take the bones out. Taste test. Looks good, huh? With a piece of rice. That brings back so much memories. Growing up, my mom, we used to go fishing for catfish all the time. Then we go home, clean it, then cook it like this. This goes very well with another soup dish. It's sour soup called canh chua. Man, they both go very well together. Go for another bite. That is absolutely delicious. The sweetness of the brown sugar and then the fish sauce brings so much flavor to this. So I'm gonna finish up here, finish my food, then clean up. All right, if you like the video, smash the like button, and if you like my style and my channel, please consider subscribing. All right, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.